Welcome to the KSE Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, April 12th, 2022. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Today's announcements: please post attendance, PST, all PST documentation should be current. Your books are still on sale. You can send money up with a form and or in an envelope in the snack bag and it will get to Mrs. Smith. You can also bring it to the library today after 1:30. Please do not send students to the testing area until testing has concluded for the day. We have scheduled sessions this week as late as 12:45. Late duty today is Miss Bolton, tomorrow Miss Arch, Thursday Miss Guidry, and Friday Miss Duberg. Important dates: April 11th through 15th, 4th and 5th grade Math AE Cap. April 15th, Pre-K Egg Hunt. April 17th through 23rd, the Spring Break. April 25th through 29th, 4th grade Science ACAP Administrative Professionals Week. April 26th, Math PLT. Candygrams. Turn in your forms to your teacher. They cost $1 each. We sent forms to each grade level. They have to be turned in by April 13th. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday.